the Pacific Ocean. If you haven't experienced it in person, hearing about it just isn't the same. At Sonance, we feel the same way about experiencing our products and culture, meeting our people, touring our studio, and connecting one-on-one. Welcome to Sonance in San Clemente, California.
At Sonance, we believe our solutions need to be experienced firsthand in order to fully appreciate the value they can unlock on your projects. So we built the Sonance Studio to host you. And while our products and solutions will certainly impress, our customers continually tell us that it is our people and our culture that shine the brightest.
At Sonance, we believe that your speakers should blend in with the design of your space and be comfortable to listen to. Our expert hospitality team will curate your visit as you experience these beliefs firsthand in our purpose-built demo rooms and throughout your visit to our studio.
It's not just a showcase of products. It is a learning center. It's a place where you can go and understand not just what the products are, but how they were made, why they were made that way, how you use them, and how you can get the most benefit from doing that.
It immediately puts you in a creative mindset when I come here, right? Like, what's possible?
Your time is valuable to us, as well as your business, and we know just how boring a keynote presentation can be. So don't worry, as we explore each space in our studio, you'll experience live demos and open dialogue. Our hope is to inspire a new approach to selling audio, and to be the best partner we can be.
What makes Sonance a good partner is that they truly believe and care about the relationships that they're forging. And I can't say that's true for a lot of other companies in our industry.
I was reluctant to come. You know, the dance card's full, we're busy, it's post-CES. I'm not taking two guys off the sales floor. We're just not doing this. He was so persistent, so persistent. I looked at the calendar, I consulted with one of our PMs and said, all right guys, we're gonna do this. Rogers is relentless. And I couldn't be happier.
I stopped coaching people to, you're gonna learn about your product, and started pointing them towards the people here, because I think that is the secret sauce.
Learning how to best show our products is only part of the experience. At each step of the way, our team of engineers, developers, and designers are here to field questions, welcome feedback, and participate in open discussions to give you better insights to our products.
Our team has been here multiple times, and I think everyone walked away just amazed and impressed.
I brought one of our long-standing builders here 3 days ago for their second time. And we did it because they had such a positive experience.
It's my hope that we engage in that dialogue because it's real. It gives us the opportunity to learn from you, and it gives you the opportunity to learn from not just one person on our team, but the entire team is here.
It's been nice to see how companies that you work with, maybe as good vendors of ours or who have products that we use very heavily, are kind of aligned not only in how they treat their employees, but how the company itself runs.
Printing the bushing collar on the device.
What are some things that we haven't ever done before that we could take all these other creative products and do them in our projects that no one's ever seen before, right? That's what happens when you come here.
You have to experience it. It's true, it's fact. You have to see it, you have to hear it, you have to experience it to really understand it.
We're all looking forward to hosting you in San Clemente, California. Come see the kind of partnership that Sonance has to offer.
Thank you for calling Sonance. How may I direct your call?